One day, Little Fox had a thought. My mom doesn't have superpowers. Or does she? Suddenly, Bunny ran in. My card is broken, she cried. Mom Fox looked at it. Tap, tap, tap. The cart rolled again. Wow, you fixed it. In the afternoon, Bunny came again. What is 1 plus 2? Mom Fox put 3 beans on the table. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I get it, Bunny cheered. That night, Little Fox saw Mom still reading. Mom, why are you still studying? Mom Fox smiled. So I can help more tomorrow. Little Fox whispered. Maybe moms don't wear capes, but they are real heroes. What is your mom's superpower? Like and follow.